We're in St. Louis, Missouri at the annual ASE Instructors Conference, and it's been an incredible week. You know, it's great to go in and see the presentations and meet people and talk to the ASE experts and everybody in this wonderful organization. But you always get so much out of the hallway conversations, the conversations at the luncheons, the things afterward. So never ever underestimate the value of coming to something like this with ASE. There's always something to learn, and there's always so much inspiration to be pulled in and brought back with us when we go back to our respective fields.
It's just a fantastic event. Last night I bumped into somebody I hadn't seen in about 25 years, so it's always a great experience coming here and getting a chance to meet these folks.
Far and away, this is the best opportunity that I get per year to hone my skills and become the best instructor that I can be.
The expo was great. We had a ton of foot traffic. It was non-stop, so again, I was really excited to see everyone be excited that we were there too. Really making sure that we can show everyone how we're here to support, how we can build those relationships and make sure everyone is understanding our roles and how we can take that back home and how we can provide support once we all leave the conference and take everything that we've learned from here as well.
If you're a new instructor, you should come. And once you get engaged with some of these folks, you're going to exponentially grow your abilities to move your program forward.
It's going to be a great time. You make contacts. You learn so much out here. You have industry professionals out here from all walks of life. Here's just a wealth of knowledge and contacts. It's really a gold mine.
But if you want more, if you want technology, if you want to understand fundamentals that have never been explained in the way that we explain it, when accredited people get together with one desire to educate and to spread technology out, you have to come here. You owe it to your students, you owe it to your career, you owe it to yourself to learn that and to spread that. You've got to come to the ASE conference.